Page 42. Lesson 2. Farm animals. A. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Goat. Goats.
2,
Duck. Ducks.
3,
Cow. Cows.
4,
Horse. Horses.
Page 42. B. Listen, ask, and answer. 1,
How many goats? 8 goats.
2,
How many ducks? 9 ducks.
3,
How many cows? 10 cows.
4,
How many horses? 3 horses.
Page 43. C. Sing. How many cows? How many cows? How many cows?
Moo! Moo! 2 cows.
How many goats? How many goats?
Meh! 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 3 goats.
How many horses? How many horses?
Neigh! 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 4 horses.
How many ducks? How many ducks?
Quack! 1 duck. 2 cows.